Hi everyone, I'm going to explain a very short and easy method of doing the interpolation. Students used to do the interpolation by hand, but sometimes in exams you get a problem that involves 6 interpolations. If you do all these 6 interpolations by hand, you will be wasting your time and you will be confused with the small numbers. Now suppose in a question they gave you a temperature of 373 and you were asked to find the corresponding value of small v specific volume. If you go to table A6 and look at the values, you only can find 350 and 400. We don't have the 373. In this case we need to do the interpolation. To do so, first you need to do this graph for the TV coordinates. As you can see, and now we take two values, one value of temperature greater than the 373 and another value less than 373 along with their values of specific volume, and we assign it to the figure. Here we take 400 and here we have the 373, here we have the 350. I got the 400 and 350 from the table. Here as you can see, I only have 350 less than 373 and 400 greater than 373, and we assign these values of temperature to the graph along with their values for specific volume. I do it this way. For 400 we have 0.30661, 0.30661, and for 370 we don't know the value, so I put X, and for 350 I have the 0.28250, 0.282, yeah, 0.28250. Okay, now I need to write an equation based on my figure. I always do it this way. I write 400 minus 350, 400 minus 350 divided by 373 minus 350, 400 minus 350, 373 minus 350 equals, I write the corresponding values of V at this temperature. For 400 we have 0.30661 minus the corresponding value of small v at this temperature, 350, we have 0.28250, and at 373 I don't know the value, so I put X minus the corresponding value of small v at 350, 0.282. Now after writing the equation, all what you need to do is just you plug this equation in your calculator and it can be solved within 30 seconds. Now I plug the equation, the same equation here, the whole equation, in my calculator. As you can see, 400 minus 350 divided by 373 minus 350. Now I press the alpha button, and here as you can see we have the equal sign. I continue, we have 0.30661 minus 0.28250 divided by alpha x minus 0.28250. Shift solve equal. It may take some time. Now Here, as you can see, we have the corresponding value of specific volume at 373 degrees Celsius. This value is 0.307, and it makes sense because it is between 0.306 and 0.28250.